vegetable soup this evening, so I thought let me take you along. I have my ingredients. I have my pepper, I have my fish, my meat, I have my stock over there, I have my onions, and I have crayfish, I have stockfish, I have the vegetables here. Come along and let's cook together. Vegetables will be very easy and fast to cook. I will take you along how I cook mine. This is actually. Thank you. I have my low-cost beans here. I'm going to put it in the oil, allow it to fry. Release its flavor, and I will add my crayfish. The crayfish too will release its flavor because they are dry stuff, so their flavor will infuse in the oil. And then I will add my pepper mix. My pepper mix contains just shepherd pepper, crimson pepper, and onions with habanero. I had some ginger and garlic into it too, so I'm going to add that. Blended, and I will add my onions. I'll mix everything together and I'll allow them to fry. I'll cover it, add my seasoning cube, and now allow to fry. I'm using this type of crayfish cube. I'm using just one because my stock has salt already. I'm adding my stockfish. I will add this so that they can be well cooked and soft, and I will then cover my sauce. This has been cooking for like 3 minutes. I have blended catfish. I'm adding that to infuse its flavor inside the sauce. Stir quickly and cover to cook for like 10-15 minutes. My cow skin is going in. I'll cover. See, the pepper is well cooked. It's been cooking for about 18 minutes now. I want to add some stock, the beef stock. I'll add some. Add my beef and the fish. Allow them to cook. Stir them. Allow them to cook for like 10 minutes, and then I will add the vegetable after. Sauce is ready. I'll pour the vegetable inside so that it can cook. This is so rich, flavorful, and the taste is good. Vegetable sauce loading. This is the sauce for my vegetable. I'm going to pour the vegetable inside very soon. This is so rich with 7 lives. Momo, shaki, bokoto, beef, Titus fish, crayfish, everything is there. Vegetable. To cook for like 2 minutes and test for salt, if the salt is good, and our vegetable is ready. Can you see? So colorful and beautiful. Our vegetable is ready. This is so good, tasty, and so delicious. Will you be trying this recipe? Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, when I'm going to see you in another great video on this channel. Thank you. See you. Bye.